Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the RegOpenKeyExW failed function results to error code 0. This error usually occurs when a program or installer cannot access a registry key. Results to typically means the key is missing or inaccessible. Commonly happens with drivers, game installations, or software updates. Then, right-click the program or installer causing the error. After the select Run as an administrator, these allow the program to access protected registry keys. Now, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. Then, navigate to the problematic registry key if known from the error message. Right-click the key and click on Permissions, then ensure your user account has full control. Now apply the changes and retry the program. If the key is missing, reinstalling the program usually restores it. Alternatively, use regedit to create the missing key manually for advanced users only. Sometimes security software blocks registry access. Then temporarily disable the antivirus or firewall and retry the program. Now open command prompt as an administrator, then run the command sfc/scan now. This checks for corrupted system files and attempts to repair them. Next, ensure Windows is fully updated to go to Settings and click on Windows Update, then check for updates. Updated OS files can sometimes cause registry access errors. Uninstall the affected program completely, then reboot your system. Next, reinstall the program with administrator privileges. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.